up there, Rick Friday. Here's the hot dog line. Oof, get on down here if you're feeling up to it. We got the band, we got the people. Players are coming next. Let's do this. River Cats 2023, Kate Dredge here speaking. Envisioning all players wearing green the month of May. The whole month of May as Mental Health Awareness. Mental Health Awareness Month throughout has programs and activities and support systems throughout each school, throughout each neighborhood, throughout each community.
Martini,